Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how to fix Excel cannot open the file because the file format or the file extension is not valid. So this is a common problem that people face. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. But first of all, verify that your Excel file is not corrupted or you are using the right extension that is xlsx. So let's start the video. First of all, select that Excel file that you want to fix. Right click it here and now go to properties. As you can see here, go to properties. Now here, select the security option here. Just click here, security. And now here, click the edit option. And now select add option here. Just select add here. And here, click the advanced option. Click advanced option. And now select this option, find now. Select this option. And here you can see different types of option open up. Now here you have to find the everyone option. Here is the everyone option here. Just select it and click OK here. And now click OK again. And now you have to select all of these. Just select allow here. And as you can see, all of these are selected. And now select apply. And then select OK. And now select OK again. And in this way, if you do all this process, your file will easily open. And the problem you are facing will be fixed, hopefully. And if this video helps you in any way, please consider subscribing to my channel and I will catch you guys on the next video. As you can see, my file is completely okay.